Hi everybody. What's going on? Hello, Oshik. Queso Turkey. Lazors. Sneaky. How's everyone doing today? Yeah, I'm personally pretty tired. I'm always tired on these Wednesday streams because, why am I always tired on the Wednesday streams? Usually because I have to stay up late the night before. Yeah, I think that's why. And it's earlier. It's at 1 p.m. instead of 3. I know it doesn't seem like it would make a big difference, but, you know, the 2 extra hours to sleep. It's kind of nice on the weekends. Hey, Oro, what's up? Yeah, today's the final day of the submission period. For the project showcase. I actually need to go change the permissions. Ace changed it and didn't let me know. It's a huge difference for me. I can watch you live without getting sleep deprived. Yeah. That's true. Okay, let's switch to streaming. Okay, so just as a heads up for everybody, the project submission period is closed, and now we're in the voting period. He didn't put the default emoji either. Oh my goodness, Ace, man. So you can vote now on stuff, and the one that gets the most votes will win the Starground key. And it's not just a review key, it's a full key, so you'll have it forever. How do you get women? Be a nice person, maybe. I don't know. I'm not the person to ask. Well, this Mirror game doesn't look good. Well, unfortunately, submissions are closed now, so you can't submit. But really, it doesn't have to be super amazing or anything. Like the whole thing with this is I just want to see what, you know, people are working on, big or small, you know. So, but we might do another one of these in the future. We'll see. But we'd probably wait. I kind of wanted maybe more than this, but I'm still, of course, glad that we got the ones that we did. Initially, we were thinking a Steam gift card is kind of the reward, but Aces were like, I don't like money-driven events, but I think it's fine, because it would be more enticing for people. Because I think it's confusing for some people that are already alpha testers. When I say, like, you know, I'm giving out a full key, people probably think that it's the same as the alpha key, which is not true. But it's fine. I'll do it better next time. I think like a $20 Steam gift card would be more, I don't know, more enticing. Around cost money. Well, yeah, it's just not straight up money though. I think that's the problem. I think if it was like a Steam gift card, people would be like, oh, well, that's actually money, you know, coming between major projects, which, yeah, no, it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, vote now. I can't really stop people from voting on more than one thing, but I would like for you only to vote on like your top two, just because if you vote on all of them, it's just kind of like, well, what's the point? It doesn't really do anything, you know? So actually sort them by, can't. Just gonna sort them by most reactions. Well, no, I mean, you can vote. I'm gonna say a maximum of 2, just because if you vote on all of them, it doesn't help anyone. So, vote for your top 2. I'm actually gonna put an announcement up. Oh shoot, I don't have my Twitch stuff up and I can't read it. Hold on. Let me go do that. And then I'll read it. And then I'll read it. Stream manager. Thank you, Fortran999, for follow. I appreciate it. let's go to where is it? Announcements. Server, what is it called? Notify events. Now time to go on. About reacting with a thumbs up on maximum of 2 posts. To vote even if you didn't submit anything. Voting period will end in... When should the voting period end? Now, I could say it ends like Friday, so we could get the video up next Tuesday. I mean, we don't need that long. We don't need a week. I'll say it ends like Saturday. Okay. What if multiple entries win? Then they both get a key. But don't try to purposely make that happen. Because I could also just decide, like, I'll just pick the one I like the most. You know, that's the winner in that case. Yo, Sneaky, thank you for the resub. Hold up. Let's get the confetti. Thank you, Sneaky. Round of applause. Let's go. Oh, notify events is the right one, right? Yeah. Okay. There's already a bunch of people signed up for the wiki. Cool. Oh shoot, I just dropped the thing. Okay. Alrighty. Jacob Rewind? What's going on? Welcome. How have you been doing, Jacob? Oh yeah, also another announcement to everybody. The official wiki is up. Of course, it's a little bare bones right now. But soon I'm gonna work on like soon I'm gonna work on the CSS so we can make it look nicer. I do like how like the Minecraft wiki is, you know. This looks cool. We can actually see how they do it. So we can go W media wiki common.css. And this is their CSS. And this essentially sets up the design for stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Let's translate the wiki. You're totally welcome to translate the wiki if you want. I'm not gonna force anybody to, of course, because that's a lot of translating. But if you want to, be my guest. I don't know, like if you can, how to do that. Maybe there's like a way you can like select the language or something. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how. It might be in. It might be in the, like, the wiki settings here. Additional settings. Localization. Show the language switcher button, even the language is available on the page. Yeah, there's probably a way to do it somewhere. So, hey, Biggie Miller, what's up? What's going on? We probably won't do per page. Well, maybe I might have to. Yeah, always show the language switcher button. I don't know, because it doesn't show up on these things. I don't see that button. So yeah, I'm not sure, but we got one person that made a page. It's crazy. What are actually the recent changes? Anyone made a new page? No. But yeah, everyone's welcome to edit it. It's free to edit it. You just have to make an account, just so that we don't have rampant bots. Yeah, you can really put whatever you want on here. We can start filling out pages for like the buildings and stuff, or kind of like what the Minecraft wiki has too. They have like pages on like specific things, like the crafting page, for example, and then a list of all the different recipes. And the smelting page, we can kind of have that set up too. Just have like tables of all the different ingredients and stuff. And what I'll probably do is put all of these images and stuff in the game on here. That we can excuse me, just so that we can do that. Unless someone wants to hack into the game and do it for me. What's the resolution of these images? Just 160 by 160. That's probably the resolution we'll go with then. But yeah, definitely do that if you're interested. So I would appreciate it. We're gonna have to clean up this page, make it an actual main page. I do like the Minecraft main page. Wherever it is. Not that one. But kind of. Was this the sales? Bedrock sales are crazy. I didn't know it was that many. Xbox 360 beat. Well, I'm sure it might have changed though. That's from 2015. Ew, the old block. Hey, Lukey Gaming, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Alright. Well, that's everyone's notice for today on the wiki stuff. Just trying to think if there's anything else that everybody needs to be informed of. Hey, MBG, what's up? Welcome. Oh yeah, I want to talk about the Minecraft server. Before I do MBG, I just want to let you know the official Starground wiki page is up. Feel free to contribute if you would like. Okay, anyways. So, Minecraft. We must discuss this. ZXE220, hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Actually, before we do that, I'm just going to show off the power in the game now. Alright, the game crashed. It's okay, I know why. Yeah, there's a wiki role that you can sign up for. Yeah. Yeah, I think I know why that happened. We grabbed it. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's load up the old save. Oh, I didn't save it. I was on like day 2000. It's unfortunate. Okay, so you might notice a few things here. Okay, ignore this. This is me stress testing it. I'm just gonna delete this network here and resave the game so this doesn't happen every single time. About to ask if the toilet died, but it just on top of it. yeah, no. It's there. It's just tiny now. Sorry, I just gotta break all these. Handle these. Is it C# or GD script? This is GD script. I kind of have been enjoying using GD script. It's just really simple and straightforward, so that's what I've been doing. Yeah, C# cool too. Okay, overwrite the save. Okay, so look what we can do now. So the Tesla coil works. You already saw earlier. But now machines, some machines require power. I will be extending this out to more like the collector and the shredders. But right now it's just crafters. So if they don't have power, they won't do anything. So for example, that's weird. Uh-oh. Oh, that's actually okay. Yeah, no. It's just because it doesn't have power. I need to change that though. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so let's go up to a machine like this one. If we add a Tesla coil, you can see it now connects this. The burner is an energy producer. There is a problem right now. For some reason, it's still working somehow. So I have to fix that. It shows that there's 0 production though, so that's what I'm confused about. It's like not working. But we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Saw that. Oh yeah, in the Discord. The problem I was trying to fix was just creating networks in a way that was stable and didn't destroy game performance. Because it's actually a really complicated problem. Essentially, each Tesla coil like this, when you create a grid like this, you know, like power poles, each of them has to keep a list of their connections. And every single time this network changes, you have to loop through those connections and remap the power network reference, right? So that we can have like a node that handles all the calculations for that. And it's just really difficult to do that. I had to make a million functions to do it. But we're good now. So yeah, I want to figure out what's going on here. So I'm gonna go into the power network. So in here, I'm just gonna print out machines just to make sure that they're in here. Yeah, so you can see they're in here, the crafter and the burner. But it's not setting it. That's what I'm wondering about right now. Why isn't that working? And let's check in on the burner. So the burner will work. See, you can see it's producing 20 energy now. But this for some reason isn't doing the right thing, so let's figure that out. Because what it should be doing is in power consumption generation. So in the process event here, so if it has a set power consumption, yes. Ayo, MBG, thank you so much for the sub. Hold up. Confetti time. Thank you. I appreciate it. I need to make more epic sounds and stuff for that, but yeah, no ads, let's go. Thank you so much for that, I appreciate it. Awesome. Yeah, so this is the thing here. So if power coil.power network.power generation is less than power coil power network power consumption, yeah, so that's kind of the thing, the problem here. I just realized why that's happening. So this machine doesn't actually consume electricity until it's working. And I think that's why this is an issue. Yeah. So if we actually give this power... See, it should set the consumption. No, that's with a set power consumption. So... Set to less than equal to? And see, now it shows up. But somehow it's still working. So we gotta figure that out. We had to get started with GDScript. Yeah. So the thing I would do is just kind of start working on a project. Go in working on a small project. Big emphasis on that, small. Don't make an RPG or anything like that because you're shooting yourself in the foot. You can watch tutorials, you know, if you're completely new to programming and stuff like that. I personally didn't really watch a ton just because I already knew a lot about engines before I started with Godot. But tutorials are definitely a valid thing to do. If that's what you want to do. But the thing with tutorials, keep in mind, I kind of would not recommend those big, massive, 10-hour ultimate introduction videos. Because I think tutorials work much better when it's something small and specific. So say you want to add a player. I would just look up like a tutorial, how to do player movement in Godot. Something very smaller scale and more specific. Just because I think it's going to be more helpful that way. Otherwise, it starts to just be... A 10-hour video is ridiculous. I mean, we just don't have the attention spans to really sit through that and actually learn. You're going to be thrown with so much information, you're just not going to be able to process any of it. So, I definitely don't recommend that. Yeah, just, you know, jump into the project, try to start doing things and making stuff, and eventually you'll start to pick a few things up and start realizing what you need to learn. I think that's a big important part of it. Yeah, I would start with just regular GDScript. C# is more complicated. If you're, I mean, it just depends. If you're already programming and you know C# well, you're welcome, you know, use C# if you want. Then it's just personal preference. But if you're brand new to it, don't do C#, use GDScript. So yeah. Alrighty, so I had to figure out why this is being funny. So I think it's because... So in here, this is where we're doing it. So if power coil, so essentially if we're connected to the grid and the power generation is greater than or equal to the consumption. So the problem here we have to say, is it greater than or equal to the consumption plus our set power generation? Is power working? Very, very close. So I figured out all the power pull problems. Also, welcome, Troopin. So the power pull problems are all sorted out. They connect. They're pretty performant. No performance issues. You can build as many as you want. And I have it all working, so this is all just one network. We can, we have like a node that kind of processes for each network. So this will all process everything in this network once. Have it set up so you can actually like connect to machines to this stuff. Don't worry about this. I gotta work out that error. Unfortunately, this is a non-recoverable error. Yeah, it works. What I'm trying to I'm just trying to work out some of the smaller issues now. I just have to get like the actual checking for power and stuff kind of implemented. And just fix a few other minor issues. So yeah. But we're gaming, so... So let's go to buildable. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna say... Yeah. If it's less than that. Okay. Give me one moment. I am back. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, so this should fix our issue. Let's see. So if there's less than what this requires to operate, power being produced, I'll show you what I mean. So we place this down. Okay, it doesn't work. It should work. Plus. Yeah, set power generation. Oh, I'm stupid. Set power consumption. There we go. So it works. So essentially, if this can't operate because there's not enough power, it shows the no power thing. So that works. Yes. And we can't... we still can't. Okay, I gotta fix that real quick. I think it's because I said it wrong here. Yeah. Okay. And I'm also going to move this if statement because I want the recipe switching to still happen. But I don't want anything else to happen. Of course, you should still be able to switch the recipe while the machine's off, so... Okay, so I want to do that. So we should be good there. Some new recipes, not even go to that. Yeah. So let's see. So you can still change the recipe, do all that, but now it won't work because there's no power. But if you power up the burner, you can see now it starts. And if we put too many machines, I want to check for, yeah, an overload of the network. Which should require 5 crafters. And I'll just put stuff in all of them so that we can actually get these, like, going. So, that's not working. weird. It's not really showing the consumption properly, because this should be consuming 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, right? It's like it sets it once and then just resets it. So we have to figure out where that's happening. Actually, I think it's just because I never set it in here. Yeah. So right here we say, is crafting true? And we're gonna say our consumption is equal to set our consumption. Otherwise in here, power consumption equals 0. Yes. So let's try this experiment here again. So this is what happens when there's not enough power. They freak out, as you can see. Because they're trying to process, they do for 1 second and then they stop. Because what's happening is it's like, okay, this machine stops working, it's not consuming power anymore. So the next one tries, oh, now we're above the power limit, it stops doing its thing, and then it just loops back and forth forever. So the alternative to get around this problem is do the factorial route, which is slowing down machines as you run out of power, right? Or we do what Satisfactory does, where the whole grid like shuts down. I don't know. Or we just keep this behavior, even though it's kind of, you know, glitchy. But it works. See, now if we get rid of that 5th machine that was causing the issues, we should be good now. Actually, we're not. So that's weird. Wonder why it's setting it back to 0. So it must have to do with this. So we're saying if generation yeah, I think it's because we're actually adding that there. Oops. Let me check this. Doesn't seem to be the problem. So we have to figure out why it's being silly. Factorial is better than Satisfactory way. Yeah, no, that's I agree with you. Yeah, Satisfactory one's annoying because it's just seems a little silly. Yo, we got a, is that a donation? Hold up. I've never actually gotten one on YouTube before. This is crazy. Let me go check this on the stream. This is crazy. I guess I need to have the stream up too. That's crazy. Thank you so much for that. Hey. That's awesome. I really appreciate that. That's insane. Hold on, we gotta take a break to celebrate this. Get the confetti out. Thank you so much for that. I wish I need to set it up maybe so that it does like a little thing on the stream for YouTube stuff. I just didn't do that yet. But thank you. I really appreciate that. And yeah, no problem. I'm always happy to answer questions if you have you know, inquiries about Godot and stuff. So yeah, it was a super chat, I think is what that is called. I'm not sure about YouTube stuff, but yeah. Yeah, I think it's a super chat. That's so cool. Thank you so much, though. I really appreciate that. That's really awesome. Yeah. Everybody, applause. 'Cause that's epic. Awesome. Let's go. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Yeah, I need to maybe... I wonder how I could set it up with like that. I'll figure out a way to make it more eventful for when people donate, because I feel bad that it was not this big epic thing on stream like it is with Twitch. But yeah. Thank you so much, though. I really appreciate that. A firework, yeah, maybe something like that. That'd be cool. Yeah, I'll have to think about that. I have to see how I can actually get it, like, connected, so we'll figure that out. It's crazy, though. Awesome. So, yeah. No way. So why is it being funny? That's what I want to figure out. Because it's fine, and then it starts freaking out. It's weird, because it shouldn't be freaking out. So you can see when I actually power this, it starts consuming 20. You can see we're producing 20, consuming 20. So it should be okay here. So we're saying, yeah, if it has the connection, if the power generation is greater than or equal to the consumption, then we're okay. So why? Why is it funny? Power generation is greater than or equal power consumption. I mean, I guess let's print what's happening here. Because at some point it must be evaluating this to false. Oh. You mean evaluate index power network on base null. Oh. If power coil. Oh, you just noticed bottom left, did a chair die? No, the gravestone is for we held the funeral for what do you call it? Subway surfers. So that's what that's for. You see it? It's wait, what? Now it works? No. Wait, what? It does work. This is weird. Huh. It's like checking this has changed the outcome, but this should not be possible. Very strange. I think I need to have another function in here. I'm gonna create a function in this power network thing. Took a lot of time to make the text pretty on the tombstone, but now you can even read it. Yeah. I know, it's pretty invisible. Just knows the glasses. Yeah, sometimes I wear glasses, usually when I'm too tired to put my contacts in. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but when I'm very tired and I have my contacts in, they like dry out super fast, and it's not good. So I usually wear my glasses when I'm tired. But yeah. I'm gonna say var has power. Yeah, irritation. Your eyes are hurt too. Yeah. Yeah, like, I can feel them, like, dry out and they, like, get stuck to my corneas, you know? It's the same thing, like, when you close your eyes for too long with contacts in and stuff, so... Yeah. So I'm just gonna make a little check here. We're gonna say if power generation is greater than or equal to power consumption. Well, first off, we'll say if power generation is greater than 0. Then we're gonna say has power equals true. What do you have? Problem seeing things that are far. Yeah, it's that's what I have too. It's myopia, I think is what that is. Yeah. I cannot see things far. I can see things very well close up though, so. Let's see, print that. I'm gonna go back to our whatchamacallit, buildable script. And we're just gonna say if it does not have power. Okay. So let's hope this works. It does indeed. Then if we add a new machine and start making it do stuff, it doesn't work anymore. Okay. Somehow that's still evaluating to true. That should not be the case. So we have to figure that out. But yeah, glasses. Hate them. Hate contacts. Hate all of it. I really would love to get some LASIK done. So yeah, because I'm tired of it. Oh, I just didn't set it to. That's why. This is not setting it back to false. Let's get new eyes. I would love to. Fortunately, eye transplants are not really quite there yet. My eyes are kind of stupid, but it's okay. I don't have like the super strong prescription or anything, but you know, I would like to have no prescription. I hate subscription services. Okay, so then if we add this in here, yes. Now we get funny behavior. Funny behavior is fine. I know why funny behavior is happening. But now if we just have 4 machines running, we're good. We're gaming. Okay, so power is actually required now. Power actually works. So all these will not operate then until I add power. I need to add power to the shredders, the lamps. I don't know if I'm gonna add power to movers and splitters and stuff. Definitely not conveyors, because that would suck. I'm still thinking about conveyors. If someone has a strong opinion on power use with movers, I meant, let me know. I would like to know what the verdict is on that. Whether we should power movers or not. We could power movers, but I don't want it to get super annoying, so. Have you looked at the very cool fan art? I have not. Let me do that. Ayo. Oh yeah, sorry, someone asked, what is the skeleton called or whatever, right? Yeah, what is the skeleton of the character? I mean, that seems about right. Yeah. Yeah, hands are just floppy tissue. It's crazy. Yeah, it's really cool though. I like the art. Nice. Hold on, there's a million things I gotta check. Oh my goodness, what is all this? Okay. I see. So it's canon? Sure. Why not? Alright, so I've actually been working on some other things too. If we go here. Boom! Coal. It's about time. So coal I wanted to add mainly for creating bombs, but coal obviously is a good fuel source. What my plan is, I think, for coal, because I want there to be a reason to actually mine trees and stuff for fuel. So coal will essentially be kind of a more rare ore, I think. And it will, I don't know, would it be rare? I have to think about how coal works. I might make coal actually give the same amount of energy as wood, which I know doesn't really make sense, but I want there to be this, the fuel cell, and then you combine coal, biofuel, and like copper wire, and it makes a fuel cell. And it's just a much better fuel source than biofuel. So, because now I figured with like power in the game and stuff, you kind of want like, I could imagine fuel may become an issue over time. But yeah. I have added the coal rocks, they just don't spawn yet. Fuel cell looks weird. Maybe. Let me know if you have a better idea for the perspective on the fuel cell. I'm just trying to make all the perspectives look interesting so that they're easily identifiable. I mean, are you thinking like it almost needs to like move over here like that or something? I don't know. That might make more sense. You like it that way? This way or the way it was before? Well, let's have both to compare. So these are our options. There's this version and then this version. This one is more like it's like more on the side, I guess. And then this one. The new way? Okay. We can do that. Oh, I do have to leave for a moment here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so another thing I want to work on today, obviously I'm not going to be streaming for super long, so we better hurry up. But I want to set weighted spawning for resources. We've been needing to do it for a little while, but it's about time now that I want coal to actually be more rare than other stuff. And so where we're doing that, I'm pretty sure it's in here. So yeah, this runs every time we create a resource. Right now what we're doing is we're just randomly selecting wherever it is. The resource constructor. Is the resource constructor... Let's see. No? Where are we setting the path equals path? Oh, select resource. So this is the function, right, where we are choosing which resource. So, new way's better? Okay, we'll do the new way. So, yeah, you can see my big note here, change the weighted system. So we're gonna do that. Hey, Fair Shooter, what's up? I'm doing alright. I'm tired, but we have power in the game, so it's okay. You can see the funny machines over here. We also need to work on making it so the game doesn't crash. When you break the power pole. Because what's happening is that these machines have this reference to a power pole, and then you do something in them, you power it or whatever, and then it freaks out because there's no power pole. And so it gets angry. But we'll fix that. Tired too so far as... Yeah, I think I slept about 4 too. Not very much. It's weird though, I feel like... I feel like when I get like 4 or 5 hours of sleep, I'm usually more tired than I am when I get like 1 hour. I don't know why that is. Sleep's a funny thing. I wish I never had to sleep. I love sleeping, but here's the thing, is that's total bias. Because I only love sleeping because it makes me not tired, right? If I was never tired, I wouldn't like sleeping anymore. That's at least what I think. Of course, I would still have the ability to relax. I can lay down in bed and just vibe, but yeah. I think people that like sleeping actually just don't like being sleep deprived. I think that's what it is. But I don't know. Maybe there's something to the whole, like, you know, having a cut in your living for a minute. Maybe the act of sleeping is good for the mental health, but yeah, electricity does work. So these machines, since there's no electricity, will not work. But as you can see in one moment here, when I power it up with the burner, now they'll start working because they have power. And then when we run out of power, it shows the little warning icon again that there's no power. So we're gaming. Electricity does indeed work. It'll be required for the collectors, crafters, the shredders, not the star launcher. But yeah. And yeah, I'm still trying to decide on whether movers require power. I'm kind of leaning towards no, because there's cases like this where it would be kind of sucky to try to squeeze in power poles. Of course the thing is like excuse me. Of course the thing is like there's a trade-off, you know, with space. So I mean, it would be okay to make movers require power. I don't know. Please let me know if anyone has ideas or thoughts on that. I really would like to know. It should not use power, that's fair. Okay. 1 vote for no power. Yeah, because movers in a way are almost like a... I mean, I know like inserters in Factorio require power, but there's really no like... we don't have to follow the same rules. That's the glory of making our own games, that we can actually not steal everything from Factorio. So yeah, we could just not make them require power, because I guess the thing is like, why? Why do they have to have power? I mean, I guess you could say that for anything. Why do crafters have to have power? I do want crafters to have power though, just because I feel like sometimes it's just like, I want there to be, well, I think power is just a fun thing to manage, first off, and there has to be something that consumes power. And I also think, like, I don't know, moving an item, you know, doesn't really do anything, but I think anything that does stuff, that converts and transforms, because we're converting resources into others, we're converting this wood into biofuel, and I feel like that alone kind of warrants this, ooh, why does that have iron in it? Weird. Oh, it's like all the filters got reset. Or maybe I just never set them? That could be it. Oh no. What happened? So wait. The mover here, it did this as long as it is not the splitter. Then it tried to add the item, but the item was null. Why was the item null? Yeah, that's something. We're gonna have to fix that. Moves require power because they're in a computer. But yeah, that's true. That's the thing, is that when you play Starground, it actually is consuming real power, which is crazy. Attacking should also require power, and the mining laser too. Oh god. Yeah, like you said, looks interesting. Right, keep up the good work. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, what's up, Bowser? Will there be more complex power generators, or like steam engines or nuclear reactors? Yeah, that'd be interesting. The burners obviously are the super basic, like baby power producers. And yeah, they just produce a little bit of energy. I definitely want to add more types of power though. I think solar could be interesting, also wind turbines. What else? We could do oh, that starts in 1 second. Shoot. Yeah, what other power sources do I want? That's something that we can work at. Yeah, we could do nuclear power. Great tech jump scare, no way. Yeah, nuclear definitely at some point, I think. I just have to think about the best way to go about that. Because I'd want it to consume power. So, you know, or not power. I want the reactor to consume water. That's what I meant, so. And for the final ultimate power, we would do a Dyson sphere, so. Our art style is very similar to Forger. Yeah, it's definitely inspired. I've been going for a more pastel color palette because Forger's very saturated. I think it gets compared a lot just out of the fact that it's simple. And the Forger art style is also pretty simple. Which is kind of a good thing, I think, when it comes to crazy big, complicated things like this, where you have a million objects on screen, so. Greg Tech. Greg Tech's kind of fun, actually. I like Greg Tech, even though it's pain. Slavery power. Maybe if we add animals to the game, you can like set up a hamster wheel. You know, for your cow, you can put the cow on the hamster wheel, and then it. Cows like to run, right? Totally. Problem is that you can't do slavery of the robots, so the only current option would be using the mushrooms for labor. That'd be interesting. You bring home the little mushroom enemies and you force them to work hard and make you power because they're evil. Yeah, maybe we could have like a hamster wheel. It would be kind of stupid and pointless, but maybe you can jump into the wheel and just start running. So, or like a treadmill, you know? We'll have to think about it. Mushrooms can drop spores and you can farm them, put them into the burner. Yeah, that could be interesting. Of course, though, that would be, what's the word? A lot of work. But it could work, maybe. Mushrooms can drop. Alright, I read that. Alright, so I'm gonna leave for just one moment here. We'll figure out what's happening with this sorting issue, because that's not fun. That is not good. Okay, let me put the BRB screen up. Okay, I'll be back, everybody. while I'm gone, discuss your favorite dinner. I mean, maybe try and avoid pizza, of course. Well, but yeah, don't avoid anything. If pizza's your favorite dinner food, say so. What is everyone's favorite dinner food? Okay, I'll be back. Where's the webcam? There it is. No, wrong webcam. No. No. Okay. What's up? So what do we got? We got, yeah, pizza. Shepherd's... Oh, shepherd's pie is awesome. I love shepherd's pie. I love corned beef. I love beef Wellington. Beef is pretty good. I got pistachios. It's the only thing I'm gonna have the time to eat until dinner. Sushi's really good. I love sushi. So the container that we call shipwreck dinner. Interesting. Haven't heard of that one. Sounds cool though. Okay. So wait, this is inside the mover, right? Yeah. Gotta figure out this issue. Crashes are not good. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Yeah, here, BRB. Soup is good. I like chicken noodle soup, tomato soup. Sorry, it scared the mic. It was probably really loud. So this is where it's happening. So, yeah, we're saying if you can grab it, which means there should be an item in here, and you try to do it. So I think what it could be, I think what it has to do with is when we take an item out of the mover. Chair inside the chair, it's crazy. Jerption. Dang it, I didn't save it again, did I? I did. Okay. So, what I want to test is this funny crash, because that's not good. So, yeah, I think my theory for what's happening is that we have this set up. So, we take an item out of the mover. Man, how do we do it? I mean, it happened up here. I think it might be when there's already an item sitting here. And then we take it out. Yeah. Because now it's trying to add the item that doesn't exist anymore. I think that's what's happening. So then if I go to the player where I'm actually doing this. So we're gonna say F or yeah, so we do that. We're gonna say grab item in the object path. So if object is full, if we're able to successfully add the item, then you delete the item. Is the function called delete item? I didn't think so. It is. So we are running delete item. I think what's actually happening... Well, we said can grab to false. Weird. So the power... Yeah, the power is working. Power's all good. We're fixing a different problem now, actually. Got some kebab. Is that a thing, or do you mean kebab? How do you spell kebab? It's just, yeah. What is kebab? Oh, it's just a different spelling for it. I had no idea. Awesome. I do love kebabs. I'll work on my new status save. Oh yeah. Is that a game? What is status? Static composer repository generator? Oh yeah, another thing that was awesome that I found was this thing called... It's this funny little GitHub program called Clumsy. And it's so good. This is going to be a godsend for testing. Oh, satisfactory. This little tool is going to be a godsend for testing multiplayer on my machine without having to actually do multiplayer. Because you can change your local host network and simulate bad internet. And I was so excited about this. I was like, let's go. I actually learned about it because I was reading through Factorio Effects on Power Systems, and they said they were actually using this, or not Power Systems, on multiplayer. And one of the devs was actually using this tool for testing, so it's great. Come on. I know there's salt in here, I just can't get it. There we go. We're gonna make factories nice. Look too nice, yeah. Satisfactory does kind of give you that chance. Artificial lag, so I can blame my my man. Yeah. But this is a really cool thing, though. I can't wait to use this. So it's weird. Because it shouldn't be causing an issue. So essentially what's happening is that it's saying, like, it's not checking can grab properly. Because it's saying, okay, we grab the item. Can grab. See, that's the thing, though. We set can grab to false. You know? It's just strange why it wouldn't be doing it. Because we're saying object delete item, and in that function you can see it sets it to no. Oh. I thought I said it. Well, this should fix the issue. Sucks that the stream's already halfway done. But I just don't have time on Wednesdays. Okay. So let's just check it again. So let's go up here, grab the item, we're okay now. Yeah, it's just a funny little thing not getting set to false, but we're okay. Yeah, I actually never set filters on these because it'll only take what it actually needs for the recipe, so... It's a party win. Whenever someone redeems it, I guess. I'm just looking at this again. It's so cool. Because you can drop frames, you can lag it, you can throttle it, you can also make them out of order, which is super useful. You can duplicate them, and then also tamper with them. Like, do weird stuff. Like, add symbols. It's really cool. man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to download this. Increase it to 15 seconds. Oh my god. What's the difference between A, B, and C? What is A, B, and C? I don't know. I'll just do A, I guess. This is such a cool tool. Oh. Yeah, I love that. So these are all the different, like, modes you can do, which is so cool. You can do, like, just UDP or just TCP, all sending packets or all receiving packets. And for all of that, you can specify, like, just inbound or outbound and stuff. So I can test both client lag and server lag. It's really good. Get 998 points, so it'll take a while, yeah. God, I hope I can get away with this one. I have not worked fully yet on the Steam multiplayer stuff. I started to a little bit, but I got rid of it because I thought it was causing a crash, and then it wasn't actually, so. Yeah, I do need to work on that. There's a plugin that I was looking at. Not stream. Oh, video stream? Hold up. Steam. It's not this one. It's not Godot Steam. Here, if I look here at the asset library. Oh, I'm also gonna mark down fixed a crash. We're taking an item from Okay. Let me search for Steam. It's this one, the Steam multiplayer up here. And it seemed good. Because the reason why I was looking at this one, because I think I can just kind of drop in the new multiplayer up here and it might just work. I'm not sure though. Hopefully I can get it working. We'll have to see about that though. Remember the cosmic ray changing a bit of Mario? Yeah. It's not confirmed. It's just a theory. No way. I can't believe it. Yeah, we're never really going to be able to confirm that, unfortunately, but it's a pretty interesting theory. I also saw in some people's saves the trees were going crazy. On like videos some people were recording. For me, the trees don't go crazy, but I don't know what the deal is with that. Is it when the game starts to lag? I don't know. You know, I actually need to, what now? Hold on. Meeting tonight. Okay. Yeah, where was that one save with the conveyors? Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? I think it was UMBG that made it. I will find it. Yeah, it was the one that was just the insane one with a million conveyors. Oh, it's here somewhere. Day of 1070, let's go. We'll find it eventually. Someday. Whoa. Was it not in this chat? It might not have been. Shoot. Lemur was first. That's insane. Maybe it wasn't you. Who did it? Oh. Or no, it was you. Yeah. I thought you posted the save somewhere. Yeah. So it was not there. Yeah, see what's going on with your tree. I think it has to do with lag, but I don't know. Well, let me know if you find it. Okay. So, we're gonna do a weighted system. I just want us to be able to actually control the spawn rates of things. Oh, you got it? Sweet. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, it wasn't that long ago. I thought it was longer ago. Oh, it was in Starground General. Okay. Let's download that. So cursed. We're going to go into the folder. Drag it in. Let's go back into it. Do I need to save this save? No. It's gonna take a minute. I don't think it has to do with, like... Okay, it might have to do with monitor refresh rate or something. It's very strange. I'm not entirely sure why it happens. Oh man, this takes a while to load, doesn't it? No. Oh, this is awful. I actually had some performance things I wanted to test with this save. Because I think disabling the raycast could increase performance a lot. I'm not sure. Oh. Yeah, I want to go to the profiler. Yeah, there's 3,000 VARs. I mean, of course it's gonna be pretty laggy. But I would like to make that run faster. Because even though it's 15 milliseconds, I don't think it should be 300. So I do really wonder if disabling these raycasts would actually fix that. Could be interesting. Because I think the only one we need... Is this one actually right here? So we're gonna say enabled equals true. Actually, can I enable and disable raycast? Yeah, I can. Otherwise, it will not be enabled. Just open the game, your trees sway a lot more. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. It's very strange. Yeah, feel free to record a video. I'll report it as an actual bug. And then also in here, an update curve. So I'm just gonna enable all these, right? And then we're gonna do all this stuff, and then we'll re-disable them. And we're gonna benchmark this. Oh, you found another mini bug? Alright. Yeah, feel free to report that too. Okay, so this will be all disabled. I think by default also I'll just disable all these. So really it should only do stuff when it needs to. So oh shoot, I didn't. Okay, that's it doesn't seem like very much of an improvement, but it is. I think it almost doubled performance here. I mean, it definitely helped. We were running at like 340 milliseconds or whatever before. So it's better. Actually, I think we might need to reload this game now that I'm thinking about it. I don't think it'll apply until we do that. Hold up. So we were averaging like 2 frames per second. Let's see what we get now. Of course, it takes time to load and create 3,000 objects. Oh my god. You guys see this right now? Do you see that increase in performance? Look at that. It's actually playable. Holy crap. Okay, we just made a massive improvement. Isn't that crazy? I didn't think that was gonna help that much, but oh my god. I know. That's crazy. It's actually, I'm very happy about that. I made a performance improvement. Is there an edge to these conveyors? I think it's over here, right? Yeah, so, well, the raycasts still work, but what I did is I essentially keep them disabled until I actually need them. And that has made a massive improvement to performance. And I did the same thing with, like, the power poles and stuff. I need to do that for everything, because it's pretty good stuff. So yeah, you can see it's significantly improved performance. So let's go check the regular save, because usually I was averaging like 60 FPS, maybe a little less. Still around pretty much the same, but you know, it feels smoother. I don't know if that's just me, you know, placebo effect. Yeah, essentially now the raycast will only be active when it's updating the like, what's the word? The tiling, or in here when we're doing when it has an item and it's trying to insert it. So very good stuff. It's more of a noticeable difference when it comes to the crazy setups where there's like a million conveyors. But it still helps a little bit with just regular factories, so... Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I need to do that for everything, like the movers, all the stuff. Yeah, it's interesting. Recasts. Yeah. I'll write down... Epic. Cool. Okay, anyways, back to what we were doing. I'm glad I made that change, though. And it looks like everything's working just fine still. Items move. Let's make sure this works here. I'm just gonna... I need to make it so I can put items on the conveyors, too. Yeah, movers work just fine. Okay, epic. Awesome. Crush, thy end is now. Die, prepare thyself. Weak. Okay. Okay. So, a weighted system. You can see the performance difference here. I think that's from... No, that wasn't from our change. I don't know. What do we need? We need weighted selection. Weighted random, yeah. No. I have done a weighted system before, I just can't remember. Just trying to see if I can see the algorithm super quick. You need to buy Ultra Kill? Yeah, Ultra Kill seems pretty good. I haven't ever played it, but it seems like a good game. Wow, those sway a lot. That's weird. Latch music, yeah. I don't know why it sways so much. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. Go away, Stream Deck, I don't care. Okay, so you calculate the sum of all the weights, pick a random number that is 0 or greater, is less than the sum of the weights. Okay. Go through the items one at a time, subtracting their weight from your random number until you get the item where the random number is less than the item's weight. Okay. So we get the sum. We loop through it once, get the sum. And then int rand equals random. Oh, we just get a random number, yeah. We run through it and we say if it's less than the choice weight, yeah, return I, otherwise. Okay. So, not bad. So I'm just gonna add a new thing here, which is, I'm actually gonna make all of these arrays. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So we're gonna not do that. So now we can assign, oh man, assign a weight value to all these. So for most things, what I'll probably do is have trees be like 10. The regular rocks are 8. And then I want coal to be kind of low. Okay. Am I preloading them? I'm not. I probably could preload them. That's okay. Okay, so we have that. So we're gonna say I and resources. Oh God, shut up. The sum is 0. So sum plus equals I 1. So we have the sum. Now what we're gonna do is for our rand equals and f range from 0 to sum. And resources, let's do it again. Yeah, then we're gonna say if rand is less than I dot I1, then we return I. Oh, so we don't need to do this. Return I0. Else. Well, I guess we don't need to do else. Otherwise, we're gonna say rand equals I1. And that should be it. So just to make sure that this is working, I'm gonna set like trees to something crazy big. It should actually start working right away. Let's create a new world. So it should be vast majority trees. Yeah, it looks like it's working. So epic. I'm just gonna mark that down. Okay, weighted system. For the change of spawn rates. Yeah, you can see there's a rock, but it's extremely rare. Okay. Coal should also be spawning now. I'm actually gonna reload the game. So let's see if we can find some coal. Oh, yeah, here we go. Coal. Crazy. But yeah, coal should be relatively rare. It's still not like super rare, but more rare. It should be half the rarity of the other ores. So for every like 2 copper, there would be 1 coal ore. And I think you can kind of see that represented here. There's really not very much coal. So that's good. I think I might make coal just a little bit better than wood in terms of smelting power. Because I kind of want coal to mainly be used as like an ingredient for better fuel sources and stuff. Maybe we can do some kind of coal liquefaction process where we convert it into oil. Who knows? Anything. Actually, isn't that in Factorio? It is, isn't it? I never use it in Factorio because it's so useless. But maybe it'll be more useful for the space expansion, actually. The other thing I would like to do eventually is make it so that building things doesn't actually decrease resource spawn rate. Because what happens right now is if you cover up the map, it slows down the spawning of resources, which isn't ideal. Instead, what I would like to do is have it so that the resources only spawn where they actually can. So, will there be secret rooms in dungeons? I think so. I think there will be secret rooms in the dungeons. So. Okay. So yeah, there should be more trees now. Just a little bit. Patterns leaked? No way. Maybe. Who knows? That works. Should check. What? Oh, my back. Oh yeah, by the way, check it out. I 3D printed him and painted him. Yeah, you can add him to the iceberg. Check it out. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I 3D printed it, I sanded it, I primed it, and then I used some acrylic paints. I just have a box of them. It worked pretty well, though. I'd say it turned out pretty nice. It's not perfect. If you get really close, you can kind of see the paint. You know? You can see the mistakes and errors. But I think it's fine, you know? Maybe he'll sit up on my shoulder. It's probably gonna fall and break. It's not gonna work, is it? No, it won't work. But yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, Starground maybe. Yeah, mistakes are the charm, I suppose. Yeah, I'm gonna have to print more of them. If you would like to buy a Starground action figure, let me know. I don't know. I don't know if I would actually sell them, but, you know. Hey, let me know. If there's demand, I will. Maybe print a little bench for it to sit. Yeah. Could do that. Okay, weighted system is done. What is all this? Alright, the rich text label stuff. Yeah, I do appreciate that one post. Let me go to that, actually. This is partially complete. I did add Tesla coils. Yeah, I also do appreciate all the ideas about dread cap attacks and stuff. I think, what I really liked was that one. I can't remember where it was. What was it? It was cool. Like high res. Where is it? Was it in fan art? Whoa. It was that one drawing. Where was it? It was an alpha? Oh, okay. Up here. Yeah. No, where was it? Someone did a drawing of like a death cap attack. Dread cap attack, which I thought was really awesome. Shoot. Oh, game suggestions. There it is. Yeah. This is cool. I like this. As an attack. So, the mushroom comes down, does a slam, and then it also sends out these particles in kind of like a predictable pattern, which I think is very good, because, I do want the mushroom to kind of shoot out projectiles, but I think this is a good idea for a third attack. So I'll probably use that. It's pretty epic. And of course I'll be looking at what everyone else also said. I think... Did someone say stuff in here? No. Well, I know there was like the post, second phase dread cap. British for attack to poise a puff around it, poise automatons. I didn't pronounce it correctly. I mean, I like the idea, but then like the thing is, these ideas could be used for other bosses also, which is great. Yeah, I like the idea. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, your idea. Project showcase. Sorry, it's so hard to find things. Probably an alpha general? Oh, yeah. There we go. Yeah, I like that idea too. Some good ideas. They're all interesting. Yeah, I'll have to pick which one I like the most, I guess. I do like the idea for the slam down and the the particles that go out. I think that one's pretty cool. So I'll probably use that for Dread Cap, but like this is also a great idea. Just for any kind of boss that spawns enemies, which will probably be a lot of them. So we could use that for another boss, yeah. Let's see, add data saving. That's crazy. Dude's playing Minecraft. That's insane. Dread Cap 2, no way. Maybe spawns a mushroom enemies that run to the player and explode. I like that idea too. I'm gonna write it down. Could be cool. Boss 2 is Dread Cap 2. It would be kind of fun to have like in some games, I think like Binding of Isaac might do it, where there's like what's the word? Like a version of the boss that's been like resurrected from the dead. You know? Those are always fun. I guess I'll get rid of my jerky pack. Jerky smells so good. I wish jerky wasn't so expensive. I would eat more. Like a Monstro 2? I don't know what that is, but... Monstro 2... Yeah! That's what I'm thinking of. I think it's just kind of a fun little thing that they come back from the dead. Delirium. No way. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Whoa. This dude's pretty fat. It's pretty crazy. Dirty. Binding of Isaac's a weird game. You got a lot of poop, a lot of meat and organs and flesh. Delirium sucks, yeah. I never bought Delirium, but... Bone Bowser Dread Cap? No way. Saying comes to mind is the Cyclops from... Oh, right, doesn't he come back later? Yeah. Because he's like the first guy you fight, right? And then doesn't he come back later? At least I think so. Yeah. I thought. He's the first guy you fight, right? It's been a long time since I played Castle Crashers. Is he the first guy you fight? I actually don't know. He might not be. No, he's not the first guy you fight. Actually, now I'm thinking about it, right? Yeah. Never mind. The first guy you fight is just like a big kind of beefy guy, isn't it? Oh, that cat. What is the first guy? Was it this guy? First boss. Yeah, it's this guy. Okay. No way. Castle Crashers is a fun game. I need to play it again sometime, maybe. Okay, what I was actually looking for in here, until I get completely sidetracked, was low FPS collector. I'm gonna have to touch a lot of aspects of the game. Oh my god, it's me. So what's going on here? Yeah, I can fix that. I'll put this as partially resolved because there is item sorting, but there's just no way, there's no button for it or anything. I don't know what this is about. This is whack. I just don't know. The full screen stuff with Godot is so stupid. And then it does like it makes the window tiny. It's so weird. I don't know why it does that. UI scaling issues. Yeah, those are gonna be hard to fix. Save files by use date. Mover thoughts. Yeah, this is the one post in here in BG that you put up. You're here. Yeah, so the thing with this solution, and this is sort of what I've found, someone's being applied, I don't show it in the video. Press the LB tag, just press it someone's being code. Yeah, so the issue with this solution is that it's all the same label. That's kind of the problem here, right? Because I want people to be able to do the fun effects. I just don't want it to transfer over to the next line. And we can disable the tags like this, of course. But that's kind of, it doesn't get us anywhere. Because I can't escape it, right? I can't escape the code. Yeah, right, that's the issue. Because yeah, if we just wanted to sanitize input, we could just do, you know, escape the tags, or we could just literally disable BB code. Like, it's easy to do that. Yeah, see, that's where it gets super complicated, is that you would have to escape every single tag that was created, and it just becomes this massive problem. Because now you have to be able to check for all the tags, and then it's just not worth it, you know? Yeah, that's the other solution, is just to make each thing its own rich text label. And I might do that. I'll have to think about it. The only thing I worry about that, though, is performance. If you have a lot of chat messages, it could start to get kind of laggy. I guess the solution to that is deleting chat messages after like a certain amount have been created, you know, so you can look back at like a maximum of like 100 messages, and then anything but before that gets deleted. But yeah, it's kind of complicated. Can't escape the code. No way. Yeah, so it's a complicated problem. I feel like I can't get what I want. I'm not sure how to do what I want. And I don't know if there's really a good, clean solution, so I think probably just have to do multiple text labels, which is okay. I don't know what burners don't have an insert cap. I think they do have an insert cap, but let me double check on it though. Escaping tags would be hard. Well, yeah, it's just like checking for all the possible configurations, which I know you can do with regex, but I mean, yeah, you're welcome to look around and see if you can figure something out. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Oh shoot, wait. Let's get the burner. Now it'll start taking in all the wood. So it should have an input cap. If I have 11 in there, well, we're gonna have to wait. If I have 31 in there, I shouldn't put any more in. Here, let's just simulate. Oh, we're good. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. I don't know. Does anyone else know exactly what Queso was talking about, or? If you could explain the problem a little bit more, that would be... So bonuses, better for pointing. Yeah, I need to add a blacklist. Yeah, I noticed this problem. It just must have to do with some funnies. Oh, I actually fixed this. This is such a weird problem. Probably. Yeah. I'll keep working through these, of course. A lot of that stuff is going to be added after V6 is up, and we're kind of in more of the... We've gotten the big features done, and then we're kind of going through and working on the smaller optimization stuff, but yeah. I'm gonna 3D Godot just play, make an Animal Crossing clone so I can play. Yeah. That'd be fun. I do love some Animal Crossing. If you do, let me know. I'd like to also play it. Yeah, I want to get into some 3D stuff with Godot eventually. But of course we're gonna finish Starground and stuff. But yeah. Yeah, I did forget about that. I apologize. So, I just wanted to kind of discuss different mod packs. And see if we could... I can put up a poll and stuff on the server, but I'd rather have, like, just discuss it on stream so we can do it faster. So there's just a few different mod packs we could do. One I was looking at was Texit 4. 4 is actually out. I didn't know 4 was out. But this is 1.19.2. It's actually Fabric, which is interesting. Where can I see the mod list? I know there's a way to. I mean, I'll just download it, I guess, and, you know, check the mods. Bad thing of having mods, that there's too much, some people... Yeah, that's the only problem with modded. I mean, what we could do is do, like, a lightly modded type of thing, of course. Which wouldn't be as bad. But yeah, there's a give and take with mods. It does this have create? It does have create. Does it have mechanism? Does not have mechanism. I mean, that's the thing with Texit, is it's a combo, right? Is you've got both dungeoning and automation stuff, and so it gets to a certain point where you have to make sacrifices. Yeah. I would like mechanism. Is mechanism even for Fabric? That might be why. Yeah, it's only for Forge. I think that's why. I mean, Mechanism's, of course, really cool. A lot of what you can do in Mechanism, though, you can, you can do, in the Create mod. I think. But personally prefer a 1.20 mod pack. Yeah. I mean, that's fair, yeah. I want to get everyone's opinions on stuff. I'm gonna give everybody a couple options. I was also looking at, like, Modrinth packs. And there's a few in here that were interesting. Forge, yeah. One I was looking at was this one, Technical Electrical. And it is a kitchen sink pack, although I think it has more of a focus on Technic stuff. But it has Create and Mechanism. Right? But it also has, like, Ars Nouveau, Occultism. So there's, like, other, like, magic mods and stuff, too. So, and it's not, like, crazy. There's 146 mods. Yeah. So, the performance... minimal... Yeah. Performance hopefully isn't too bad on this. Yeah, so it's like kind of a combo of magic and tech, is what I see here. So yeah, I guess we might do a poll, because we also might make our own, although I kind of want to avoid that just because it can be laggy. Yeah, magic and tech is a good combo. So, the other place we can look on is Curse Forge. I'm not a fan of Curse Forge, but unfortunately, Modrinth just doesn't have as many mods. Actually, I think you can import packs from Curse Forge though, so I mean, it's okay. Oh, that's the version of the Wise Tree. Yeah, we gotta do that then. Yeah. Magic for aesthetic and defending. Yeah, and tech is tech, yeah. Sounds about right. I do have to leave pretty soon. Oh, don't update right now. But let's quickly take a look at some packs. Minecraft browse. So we're gonna look at, let's look at 1.20.1. I mean, or it could be 1.20 or any 0.20 version. So ideally, let's just see what they have, right? So Old Mods 9, cool pack, but it has a lot of mods. So that's a problem. Oh, yeah, Spaghetti SMV's there, yeah. Chosen's modded adventure. Why is this sorted all weird? Sort by total downloads. There's Fabulously Optimized. I think that's a pretty popular one. But I think it's just pretty much vanilla though. I think it literally just like improves performance. Better MC. Celestial Convergence. It's an interesting one. New game. Create perfect world. Occult craft. Town craft. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of options. Vanilla, maybe vanilla, I don't know. Well, okay, here's what the vote was, right? I go to here. And Minecraft announcements. So the vote was 8 for combo pack. Vanilla Plus was a close second. So what I would ideally like is a combo pack that is kind of light, a light combo pack. And I think for me that would either be Tex at 4. So at least just how it stands now. Tex at 4, or this technical electrical pack. This one. So I'll let everyone mull that over. If you do have packs, like, everyone's welcome to search for packs. I'll probably give everyone until tonight, and then tonight I'm gonna put up a vote for which pack we're gonna do, or if we're gonna make our own pack. Although there's a lot of problems with making our own pack because yeah, one of the problems is just stability, because it's hard to spend the time to actually test the pack and make sure it's stable. An established pack kind of already has that like player base of people playing and testing it, so you know. And then yeah, I mean, although we'd have more freedom with our own pack, I don't know. Discuss on the server. I want to know what everyone's thinking, because, you know, I want to make sure everyone actually has fun with it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to bring up. I do really need to leave now, so I'm gonna be late if I don't hurry up. So yeah, got some things done. Got power kind of more stable. I didn't know it was actually still going. Whoa, there's coal. I forgot about that. It's crazy. All right, well, I'm gonna end off the stream. We'll raid someone. We'll have to raid and dip. We'll have to Who's live? We could raid Weasel. That'd be epic. Is Godot? Alright, yeah, he's Godot. Right? Yeah. It is indeed. Okay. Let's go ahead and start the raid. But thank you everybody for coming to the stream. I appreciate it. I'll be streaming next on Friday. That'll be a full length one. Oh yeah, this person. Let's check it out. Again, 2048 roguelike. Interesting. Who would you prefer to raid? What does chat want to do? Do we want to raid Weasel or do we want to raid which one? No! Don't make me decide! We could raid this person just because they have fewer viewers. Weasel? This one? No! We'll flip a coin. Heads, we raid Weasel. Alexa, flip a coin. Tails. So we'll raid this person. Okay, thank you everybody. Be sure to discuss the Minecraft server on the Discord because I need to know what everyone wants to do. But those are kind of the two packs that I'm thinking right now. Let me know thoughts on that pack, on those two packs. Okay, I'm gonna start this. Okay. Oh, today's stream point 0. Yeah, still, I wasn't very funny today, unfortunately. Alright, thank you everybody. Bye-bye.